Welcome to the e-Pads video series. Today I'll walk you through how e-Pads can streamline your procurement process. So what is e-Pads? It's an e-procurement system by the Public Procurement Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. Its core values: transparency, efficiency, automation, and accountability. Imagine minimizing paperwork, reducing errors, and promoting competitive bidding, all in one place. Now let's dive into its key features. First, procurement planning. Streamline your procurement plans and timelines. Committee management. Organize and manage your procurement committees seamlessly. E-tendering and e-evaluation. Electronic bidding and evaluation to save time and enhance accuracy. Supplier management. Keep track of your suppliers and their performance effortlessly. Reports and analytics. Generate insightful reports to make informed decisions. Wondering about the benefits? Here's a quick checklist. Transparent and competitive bidding. Cost savings and efficiency, reduced paperwork and errors. Faster procurement process. These benefits translate into a more streamlined, efficient, and transparent procurement process for government agencies and suppliers alike. This is just the beginning. In upcoming videos, we'll cover each feature in detail, helping you get the most out of e-Pads. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.